In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter employee state payroll withholding in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by confirming your payroll is set up correctly so QuickBooks can calculate state withholdings for you. From the left menu, open Payroll, then Employees, and head into Payroll Settings. Make sure your payroll service is active, your bank account is linked for payroll deposits, and each employee's profile is complete, including address, social security number, and state of employment. When these pieces are in place, QuickBooks Online Payroll will automatically handle the state withholding math, which saves time and reduces errors. Next, review each employee's state tax details. Open Employees, select the employee, choose Edit, and then Tax Info. Confirm the state or states of employment, the information from the state W-4 or its equivalent, and any state-specific deductions that apply in your location, such as disability insurance, SUI, or SDI. Accuracy here drives the correct withholding on every paycheck, so match what you see to the employee's most recent forms and your state's current requirements. Now you're ready to run payroll. Go to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Choose the appropriate pay schedule, pay period, and pay date. Enter hours for hourly staff or verify salaries for salaried employees. QuickBooks will calculate gross pay, federal withholding, state withholding, and any other deductions. Take a moment to review the net pay for each employee and confirm the totals look right based on the information you just verified. Once you submit, QuickBooks records the state withholding automatically to the payroll liabilities account for state taxes payable. After payroll processes, review those liabilities, navigate to taxes, then payroll tax. Look at the state taxes payable section to see the amount set aside for state income tax withholding, state unemployment, and any other state deductions. Compare these figures to your payroll run to ensure they match. This quick check helps you catch configuration issues before it's time to pay. When it's time to remit state taxes, go to Taxes, Payroll Tax, and select Pay Taxes. Choose the correct state agency and the payment period, enter the amount you're paying, and submit. QuickBooks will debit state taxes payable and credit your bank account, clearing the liability tied to that period. Save the transaction to finalize the entry. Finally, verify with reports. Open reports and run payroll summary or payroll liabilities by state. Confirm employee state withholding totals, any employer state contributions, and that payments to state agencies align with your payroll runs. Regularly reviewing these reports helps prevent underpayment issues and late filing penalties.